Shalom, family! God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, oh my gosh, right away. I'm speechless right now. I am so speechless. Look at this elevation. I love the different components. Got that beautiful stone stucco combination. Look at all the windows. And you got the two side entry garages. I mean, this property is absolutely phenomenal, guys. And look at the turf on the front yard here. Look at this beautiful home, guys, overlooking the lake as well. Alrighty, I'm gonna leave all the details to this beautiful property in the description, guys. I don't have too much time. I think I have about like 25 minutes before I have to head out, and they have another appointment coming in. So I do apologize, my friends. But without further ado, guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my friends, and join the YouTube familia. We would love to have you guys part of the YouTube family. And want to give a huge thank you to Mike for letting us come out. I'm gonna leave all of his details in the description, guys. But let's get right into today's property tour, guys. This is truly a unique, absolutely phenomenal home, by far one of the greatest I've ever seen. And I'm just so excited, super giddy to show y'all. The wifey's inside getting her TikTok content, and so be sure to check us out on TikToks at Nava Family TX and Instagrammies at NavaRealtyGroup, guys. Check us out on there. And as always, my friends, be sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video for the good news. By far the greatest part of the videos is towards the end for the good news. Alrighty, look at this beautiful driveway, guys. Oh, I love how they stain the driveway. Got that beautiful combination of turf as well. Beautiful LED bars here. You got 2-car garage there, single car tandem, and then you got 2 additional ones with the beautiful modern front garage doors. And look at the size of this pivot door. Oh, this is a dream come true. Oh man, look at this, guys. And this is 3 stories. This is truly impeccable. As you walk in through the beautiful pivot door, you're greeted by this absolutely stunning open floor plan, sliders leading up to a resort style pool, covered patio. Alrighty, we're in the North Dallas area, guys, and so y'all already know Dallas properties are just on a different level. You even got an elevator here, like what? Alrighty, and then here you do have the mudroom tucked away. Alrighty, and then look at this, guys. Oh, you're gonna love this garage. This is a dream garage. Look at the LED lighting up on the ceilings there and the epoxy flooring. Oh, look at that. I love how it just shines and it kind of just radiates and glows. Look at that, guys. Beautiful dream property here. Alrighty, love these floor to ceiling windows as well. Alrighty, and look at the missus right there. Wifey, hello, gorgeous. How's baby Shalom? She's sleeping? No. Okay. Well, she's gonna get her content in. Sorry guys, like I said, we don't have too much time, so we're kind of trying to get in and out because it's been a crazy packed day in this property, guys. But look, you got a floating staircase as soon as you walk in with the glass railing. And look at these beautiful light fixtures, wood panel, loving that woodwork there. And then you also do have a beautiful glass enclosed office here, guys. Look at this. Absolutely phenomenal. Very elegant light fixtures. All right, loving the beautiful wood floorings here, as y'all can see. Alrighty, marble fireplace, and then you do have a breakfast nook here alongside the kitchen with that waterfall feature. You got quartzite countertops, an abundance array of cabinetry here, guys. Beautiful handles all throughout. Very elegant light fixtures, and then you do have surround sound speaker all throughout. Look at this, guys. I mean, the detail, the level of just craftsmanship that this home, I mean, has is just phenomenal. And then here we do have a kind of like a little bar area here, perfect for hosting, perfect for hanging out. And I can't wait to show you all the backyard because that is jaw dropping. And here we do have the kitchen already. Beautiful pot filler, Wolf appliances, top of the line, my friends. Alrighty. And then here we do have a tucked away butler's pantry. Ooh, look at the size of this pantry. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. When I say I want a walk-in pantry, this is what I mean. Oh, I love the double entry door with the golden handles there. Alrighty, the wifey's in the primary suite, so we're actually gonna tackle on the upstairs. We're gonna hold off on the primary suite because I want to show you guys the other levels, and then we'll get to the main course, main entree as we get closer to the end, my friends. But here we do have the floating staircases leading up to that beautiful second deck here. All right, got a game room already. Very elegant, 2 large fans, surround sound speaker all throughout. Gorgeous, elegant light fixtures. And then you also do have the beautiful shades here, alrighty. There is a remote for them. I don't think I was able to get them, you know, picked up, but all right, got the elevator leading up to that third deck right here, guys. And we're gonna tackle on the other rooms here in a bit, but I wanna show you guys the top of this property because it is impeccable. Look at this, guys. Come on now, look at the gym. Yes, they got Arnold here, man. This is the perfect, you know, place to get a nice pump in. Look at that, guys. Oh, and then you got a little massage area here. Super cool, a little sauna there, tucked away. And then what? Look at this, guys. Got a barbershop in here. Stop playing. Barbershop? No way. What? And that's because I need a cut right now. So I wish they had somebody in staff right now. No, I'm joking. All right. Man, dude, this is crazy. And then here we do have a full bathroom. Alrighty, stand-up shower, seamless glass, gold plumbing fixtures. And man, guys, I'm just so giddy right now. I feel like a little kid in a candy store. Oh my gosh, stop playing. Look at this view, guys. You're gonna love this. Man, I'm telling you guys, Dallas is the place to be, man. Look at this. Oh, look at this view right here. Lakefront view, little turf area here. Perfect for hanging out with the fam bam. Alrighty, and then you have no back neighbors. All right, greenbelt lot, absolutely stunning. All right, metal roofing. And just look at this spectacular view. Look at the glow. It's about 5:30 p.m. right now, 5:45, and that sunset looks phenomenal. Alrighty. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Are you guys geeking out as much as I am? I'm still shooketh about the barbershop. That was pretty cool. All right. And then here, I'm gonna show you guys the other bedrooms. Like I said, my friends, I do sincerely apologize. A lot of these exclusive properties, thankfully, by God's grace, I get access to them, and a lot of the owners invite me out. And but the only thing is I don't have too much time to be in them because, like I said, there's appointments, there's a bunch of things happening. So I want to make sure I'm respectful of their time, and obviously I want to make sure you guys get a little access to see some of these beautiful properties, guys. All right, got another bedroom here tucked away. All right, full bathroom here. Beautiful porcelain slabs all throughout. Stand-up shower, LED, touch mirrors. Got another bedroom here as well. All righty. And got a full bathroom tucked away. Oh, man. And guys, God has been so faithful, man. Lots to update you guys towards the end. All right, so definitely stay tuned till we get to the backyard. Here, got a little pool table, perfect for hanging out. Alrighty, and then you got additional bedrooms as well. Look at, I mean, this is definitely a full family compound. I mean, you can get everyone in here, all right? So perfect for hosting events. I mean, this is a beautiful property, very spacious, alrighty. And you got another bedroom here with a full bathroom enclosed here. Alrighty. Wow. Absolutely phenomenal. Alrighty, guys. And now let's check out the primary suite in the backyard, guys. Alrighty. Oh, here we have another bedroom as well. So, got a lot of the bedrooms on that second deck. So the primary suite is very kind of separated between all the other bedrooms, which is pretty cool. Alrighty, stand-up shower, seamless glass, LED everywhere. Okay, I think baby Shalom's nap time is coming up. Alrighty. Sweetie? I'm coming down, beautiful. How's baby girl? She okay? She's sleepy. It's her bedtime, guys. Look at her, she's making her. I'm hungry, tired, and sleepy. We're gonna get her some, yeah, get her some good chow. No worries. All right, look at this, guys. Wifey, what do you think, by the way? Beautiful, right? The outside, the elevation, the setup. This is what I'm talking about, right? The primary? Oh, here we go, guys. This is the main entree. Oh my gosh. Whoo, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at the sliders. Oh, I love it. Woodwork all throughout there. Double pendant lightings there, and then you have a beautiful linear fireplace with that nice, gorgeous porcelain. Alrighty. And look at the view of your beautiful pool. I love the fact that they did that nice retaining wall there with the stucco, beautiful privacy. And look at, oh my, stop playing. Okay, you know, this is what I'm talking about. The missus, this bathroom is gonna live in my wife's head rent-free. Cause look at this, soaking tub. I mean, wraparound shower, full spa-like shower. Look at this marble tile all throughout. Look, this is what I'm talking about, guys. My gosh. Touch LED, double vanity. And look at this closet, stop. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if I'm the only one geeking out right now. Look at this. Give you guys one more little look at around. Oh my gosh, it's a 2-story closet. Stop playing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. Husbands, you know, we're all, yeah, this is gonna live in the wife's head rent-free, gentlemen. So be aware, all right? This is the part you might wanna turn off the video. No, I'm joking. So this is goals. Look at this. Beautiful. This is exactly why I love Dallas, man. It is the properties out here, the estates, they're just, I mean, it's just phenomenal. I mean, this doesn't even feel like Dallas. This feels like something that would be like in Vegas or California or something, but they really outdid themselves with this property. And now let's feature the backyard, guys, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Like I said, my friends, I do apologize. Don't have too much time here, but covered, beautiful patio. Look at this, 3 large fans, resort style. Got a full outdoor kitchen. Alrighty. Look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Perfect for the carne asadas. You got a little putt-putt golf there. All right, and look at this very, very relaxing pool back here. All right, a pergola here. I mean, there's just so much going on. I mean, this is perfect. Imagine the summer nights here, hanging out with the family. This is ideal. This is perfect. Alrighty, guys. Well, let me know what y'all think in the comments below about this beautiful property, guys. I do appreciate every one of you guys for tuning in. Once again, I sincerely apologize. Hopefully I wasn't rushing it too much and you guys got a nice view of this beautiful home. Like I said, there's not too much access into these properties, guys. But thankfully, you know, by God's grace, we have great relationships with a lot of the builders, sellers, developers, you know, for the past couple years. And so they invite us out here and we make some really good connections. And so we're able to showcase these properties to you guys. So we really just thank every one of y'all for supporting us. God bless you, my friends. As always, going to leave y'all with the good news, and that is John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are gorgeous. They're breathtaking. They're absolutely stunning, but they do not compare to the eternal home that the good Lord has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us through what he did on that cross at Calvary, where he paid the ultimate price for sinners like us. And if we put our faith and trust in the Lord, he will redeem us. He will break the shackles of bondage and give us a new life in Christ, my friends. Alrighty, so hallelujah, praise be to God, guys. God is so faithful. So many things to update you guys on. As most of y'all do know, if y'all are not following us on Instagram, Nava Family TX, I highly recommend y'all do, guys. My wife and I, we started some projects out in McAllen. So if you guys are tuning into that, I highly recommend y'all do. And baby girl Shalom is about to be 4 months. Her 2 bottom teeth that just came in, so she is teething right now. She actually bit me in the nose, and I have a little mark here. So she just grabbed it and just bit me. So she is teething, she's growing, she's healthy. It's to be a father is truly one of the biggest blessings. And yeah, guys, it's God is so faithful. He is so good. So I pray you guys all have a blessed day. Let me know what y'all think about this beautiful property. I have to head out, my friends, but God bless you, and we'll see you guys again. Shalom, peace be with you guys. Bye-bye.